Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we are doing Surah Baqarah Ayah number 86. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. أولئك الذين اشتروا الحياة الدنيا بالآخرة. For every dhamma, you have to circle your lips. For every fatha, you open your jaws. And for every kasra, you say E sound. You lower your lower jaw. So for dhamma, circle your lips well. And this hamza is alone. This is not attached with waw. Waw has zero at the top, so we are not pronouncing waw. So is short sound. La is 4 haraka long. Ula, e is very, hamza is very strong sound, and for every kasra you say e sound, e. Ula, ikal, ka. For open your jaws for fatha and make a kaf light. It's not qa, ka, ka. The sound is ka, kal, and it will be attached with lam. And for fatha, you open your jaws. There are two functions going on over there. First, you join kaf with lam, kal, and then fatha is short. La, kalla, the is 2 haraka long. To say dal, what you do, you touch tip of the upper part of tip of your tongue with the edge of your upper 2 teeth, edge of the upper 2 teeth. So you keep the tongue there until you say this word. The nash. Noon is attached with sheen. Sheen has rikhava. The voice spreads around for sheen. Nashta. Ta is short and very strong sound. Ta. Ra. For every ra with fatha, what you say? Raw. You actually say raw material. Yes, raw. Raw. Nashtara will. Circle your lips well for dhamma and attach it with lam. Will ha. Give hums. Flow of breath. Flow of breath in ha. Ha has flow of breath. So we say it's a hums letter. Ha. Ya. Ya is 2 haraka long. Dunya. Open your jaw for fatha and attach with dal. Tad. And circle for dhamma after that. First you attach ta with dal. Tad. Right now you are not circling your lip. The moment you give dhamma, you start circling your lips. Okay? Do. When you say you say the dhamma on dal, then you circle your lips. Not at the time when you are attaching dal, ta with dal. Ta with dal, the lips are very straight. Tad. And then dun. Now so saying do, then you are circling your lips. Dul, dun, attached with noon. Ya is 2 haraka long. Bil, every kasra has this sound. E. Bil, and give little time on lam. Is 2 haraka long. Why it's 2 haraka long? Because alif is followed by fatha. Whenever alif is followed by fatha, or waw is followed by dhamma, or ya followed by kasra. These three are mud letters and you stretch them 2 haraka long. Bil akhi, kha is heavy letter, so we write capital H for every heavy letter. And how many letters are heavy, permanently heavy letters? They are khussa, daqt, and qis. You remember? Khussa, ضغ, ضاد, غين, ضغ, طن, طا, ضغ, طن, قض. These are the 7 letters which are always heavy. Bear my writing. Okay. So kha is heavy, khi, and say for kasra, say the e sound. Khi, ra, ra. For ra with fatha, what you say? Raw material, raw. Really, you say this sound and the ra with fatha is done. Khi, ra, ti. Ti is very strong sound and with kasra. Ti, fa. Fa has hums. It's a flow of breath. Fa. When you put your edge of your upper two teeth to the inner part of your lower lip, and you place your teeth on the lower lip, and then you put a pressure of your breath, not the sound. This sound should be there. Fa, that is called hums. Fa, la is two haraka long. Fa, la, you circle your lips well for dhamma. Khaf, kha is attached with fa. This tashdid, W, has two functions. First, the letter is attached with the following word, and then it has its own fatha, or own haraka. So kha is attached with fa first, and then fa has its own fatha. Khaf, kha is heavy and fa has hums. Khaf, fa is short. When kha is attached with fa, it has hums. Khaf, and for fatha, fa is short. Fa, you khaf, fu is short. Circle your lips well. And squeeze your throat well for to say ain. It's sound. It's not very comfortable on your throat. Yes, it should give a little teasy feeling to your throat. That is the right way to say ain. An. And tawassut on noon, medium flow of sound. An, hu, circle your lips well. For dhamma, hu, mul. And meme is attached with lam, mul, again. The little uncomfortable sound, feeling for ain, for ain, ain is short. The is two haraka long. Bu, circle your lips well. Open your jaws for fatha, and at the same time circle your lips for to say wow. La is two haraka long. There should be a significant difference between one haraka and two haraka. Look how I say la. I'm not saying la. I'm not stretching wow the same way as la. No, there should be a very, very clear difference. La, hum. Circle your lips well for dhamma and bring your lips back to the normal position of your lips on meme, because meme has sukoon. Hum, yung. Circle your lips for dhamma and go back on noon. Yung, sa. Swad is heavy letter, and open your jaws for fatha. Yunsahurun. You are giving temporary sukoon or noon because there is a stop sign at the end. Look here. Ayah is finished. So you are giving temporary sukoon when you find harf mad, ra followed by dhamma. Look, these are three mad letters. Alif followed by fatha, waw followed by dhamma, ya followed by kasra. Any of these letters comes before the temporary sukoon, you will no longer stretch it for 2 haraka, but it will be 4 haraka stretched. ينصرون ولقد آتينا موسى